Sharpen up your sword and axes across assembly. Row your boat off to England.
Whoa, what's going on here?
What do you mean it's rowing? Can't you see? We're rowing.
Rowing? Rowing where?
Well, as it says in the song, to England. But guys, does it really matter? It's a game honest. We're not actually going anywhere. We're here to the parents of the other two and then
I think these parents deserve to see something a bit special like a class assembly after or the homeschool. Don't you agree?
Yes!
Right, let's get this show on the road.
A big welcome to you all on this fine day. We are so glad you could join us.
We have invited you in today to tell the other siblings about what we are doing in our class. You may be aware our main topic this term has been
Vikings!
Can you be quiet for a minute? So, as I was saying, our main topic this term is Vikings, so we would like to share some of what we found out. And if you're really lucky, we might even squeeze in some other bits too. Even the bloodthirsty part?
No, probably not. We don't want to scare the others.
What's so scary about people that sing row your boat?
Oh, that's my favorite song. My mom used to sing that to me when my father was at Barnum's Fish.
It's actually quite interesting. Tell me more about that.
Tell me more! Well, if you're sure, I might just add some house here and Becky shared it on the street. And before you ask, yes, they've done their rap.
Thank you for having us here, parents. We have lots and lots and lots and lots and lots to tell you.
Did you know that Vikings like us were actually from Scandinavia? This is an area now known as Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. We would arrive on beaches in days.
And we were strong. People were so scared of us. Even more scared than how Mr. Fellows feels when he's having a PCR test at the airport.
We had weapons had these days. We had swords and battle axes. Let us show you what we used to do.
We would set sail for a country we had our eyes on. We would always try to arrive around the time of dawn so we had the element of survival.
We would kill some and take others as slaves. We were ruthless. Some historians think it was prior to Black Victory as raiders.
We chose England, so we traded the Anglo-Saxons who lived at the time. We knew they were rich and wanted what they had.
So in AD 790, we went for it. Our first trade on England. Eventually, we took over a lot of the country.
Our moms were so proud.
Aww. Danelaw, part of England under Viking control, changed quite a bit. Now we got our own laws, names, customs, farming techniques. The British have a lot they should be grateful for.
We are grateful. It's because of you guys that are the following words.
Thursday, named after Thor, the Viking god of war.
Friday, the best day of the week, named after Freya, goddess of love and other stuff.
Eggs. Happy.
Masks.
You don't get the word masks for Vikings.
I know that. I'm just wondering if anyone needs one.
Anyway, don't forget, we named a lot of places in Britain as well. Have you ever heard of Grimsby or any other village at Indenthorpe? That's all because of us.
Fascinating. I think it might be time for a break. Let's show this audience what singing in the fresh air sounds like. And we'll have a great big welcome for the Viking Stones.
Yeah!
It's our first time playing in front of an audience.
We did have a gig at the Spring of Culture a couple years back. Very well counted. Can't think why.
We're hoping they'll have us back this coming spring, though.
Well, anyway, without further ado, let's show this audience what we are made of. Feel free to join in with the headbanging parents. I've missed this. This what?
This. Just being together and showing what we can do. It's been a tough year.
True, but together with friends and family, we can get through anything.
Big thank you to all the parents for taking their time to come and see us.
Can we have a big round of applause?
Well, we have all missed this, haven't we? As Mrs. Carrier has said, it's just been too long. I think all the sporting and musical and drama events that we've missed, and it's just so lovely that we're back on stage, and hopefully a sign of better things to come for all of us. So, first of all, a Huge round of applause for the children. Well done.